Hello guys, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So today we will discuss some another very important topic just around the digital marketing. So I have found this topic recently by the help of YouTube, and I was thinking that yesterday day after before yesterday I wanted to make the video on this specific topic, but unfortunately I was not able to create the video on this specific topic. So if you are thinking right now you want to come in digital marketing sector of and you don't have idea how you can start your digital marketing career right now, yeah, in upcoming year. So in this video I will disclose everything. If you want to come in digital marketing sector, what topic you have to learn, and what things you have to understanding about the start of digital marketing before the start your digital marketing career. And before the starting this video, I would like to tell you, I hope you are right now you are watching T20 World Cup right now, and hopefully you are also supporting our team India. I'm also supporting actually team India, and I feel India will be won this World Cup, this World Cup. I hope, and I'm expecting same as you as your end. So before the starting this video, I have to I would like to one thing. If you want to come in digital marketing sector, so you please like and subscribe this YouTube channel, because I will I share lots of things about the digital marketing on this YouTube channel, and you don't have any kind of idea how you can start your digital marketing career. You are little confused which module you the best for you, PPC, SEO, and social media. So in this video, at the end of the video, I will tell you which module best for you, and top three module in the digital marketing right now. If you are thinking you want to come in digital marketing sector, so you have please watch this video till the end, and let's start to this video. If I talk about the question, today question, so I already told you I have found this question just on the behalf of YouTube, because I was watching YouTube video, and suddenly I got this question, and my mind actually completely died. I was thinking I want to make the video on this specific topic, and I should make the video on this specific topic. Right now I'm creating. So let's start today question. If I talk about the today question, how to learn digital marketing in 2023. If I talk about that, the same question another time, how to learn the right way, how to learn digital marketing in the 2023. So honestly, this is one of the biggest question right now. If you are a fresher, you want to come in digital marketing sector, you don't have any kind of idea, any kind of feeling. You are thinking that digital marketing is too hard. So in this video, I will share to everyone how you can start your digital marketing career, and the best way how you can become a proper digital marketer in their professional career. So let's start this topic. So in this video, I will disclose around 9 points to everyone. So please make sure, please watch this video till the end. And I already told you till at the end of the video, uh, I I will share to everyone top three module where you can start easily your digital marketing career, and you can find out the job easily. So let's start. If I talk about that, what is the digital marketing? So honestly, the digital marketing is kind of way, that kind of platform where we can use where we can use to engage our audience by the help of internet. So if I talk about the digital marketing and internet, so they are the reciprocal each other. They are strong connect each other. If we don't have the internet, so we cannot do digital marketing. But this will be not happen in the in the world, honestly. So right now we know very well we have around 5 billion audience on the internet right now in the world. And recently and I have seen lots of I have seen lots of news on the YouTube recently. Lots of company thinking about to invest their money in the digital marketing sector. Not a startup, is a big company like Wipro, Samsung. Because everybody want to do digital marketing right now. Because if I talk about the door to door marketing, it has been completely closed right now. So no one want right now door to door marketing, because we cannot target our audience very proper audience. But if I talk about the digital marketing give for us the platform where we can target our proper audience, where we can target proper audience, proper age group audience, women, men, kids. So we can target everything what we want to do. So this is basically digital marketing. So right now, if that's why the every company want to invest in digital marketing sector, because digital marketing is a biggest weapon right now. If you want to grow in your professional sector, in your if you want to grow your company very fastly, so you have to invest your money in the digital marketing sector. So this is a basic introduction of digital marketing. If you want to know about the digital marketing, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I and you can subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If I talk about the another things, types of digital marketing. Honestly, we have the 10 types of digital marketing. But right now we are actually doing actually we are doing depend the it should it depend the condition, honestly. But right now, if I talk about the top three types of digital marketing, uh, so first one is SEO, Google Ads, the social media marketing, uh, content marketing, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing. So we have lots of stuff in digital marketing sector. So if you want to come in digital marketing sector, so you have you should be master anyone, because you should make yourself master anyone, because digital marketing a kind of technique. If you are thinking I can learn everything, so you are going in the wrong direction, honestly. You have to take step by step process. First you have to start your career SEO. You should have to start your career after that you can learn Google Ads, social media. After that you can learn programmatic advertisement, because this is the actual platform right now. The company investor so this is a step by step process. So if you want so basically we have the 10 types of digital marketing. It completely depend your thing, which one is best for you. But I would suggest you, if you are a fresher and you want to come in digital marketing sector, so please do start your career by the help of SEO. Because if I talk about the job availability in SEO sector, we have lots of job availability in SEO sector. If I am comparing another sector like social media marketing and Google Ads, programmatic advertisement is a far thing, because you cannot start your career as a programmatic marketer, because programmatic advertisement is a biggest weapon right now, biggest things right now in the advertisement sector. So I would not suggest you, you can start your career as a programmatic advertiser, but you can become. But you have to start your career Google SEO. After that you can learn PPC, pay per click, you know very well, and social media. And after that you can start a programmatic advertisement career. So this is my recommendation. If I talk about the proper way how to learn in digital marketing, how to learn digital marketing in 2023. So honestly, I would suggest you, if you have done digital marketing course right now, so please do start search your first job, yeah, your internship. uh, whether whether your job is your pay amount is less around 10K 8K, nothing is important right now. You have to start your career. After that, I know very well the company actually, if you have the potential courage, so company want to invest in yourself. So but if you have to start yourself, you have to invest your time, your your mind. You have to you have to give everything in the digital marketing sector as a fresher. Because I know very well, because when I did start my digital marketing career, so I have also faced the same problem. But I remember, I always believe in myself. I can do this, and I know, I know very well. If recently I am getting 10,000 rupees, so honestly after 6 months, yeah, 1 year, the company will provide 15K 20K. This kind of self belief, right now, I have that good salary right now. So that's why I'm sharing to everyone. But if you are, recently you have done your graduation, you want to come in digital marketing sector, so I would suggest you can make your blog. Yeah, you can, if you have good budget, so you can you can get the admission in any institute, digital marketing institute. But institute should be should be provide job in assistant, yeah, 100% job guarantee. But it might be not, this is a apple for eyes right now, everyone. So that's why I'm saying you, so you can start to learn digital marketing by the help of by the help of YouTube. It is very easy. Honestly, it is very easy. You have to start just right now, and you can learn digital marketing, and you can implement everything by the you can buy domain and hosting around. If I talk about the money invest around 3,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. So you can create your blog, and you can put the content, and you can start your blogging, and you can you have to you can try to get the traffic. And when will you go to get give the first interview, so you can see, sir, I have made my website, and I have this kind of traffic. So interviewer very impressed for yourself, so might be give the better salary compared to right now going in the digital marketing sector. So this is a procedure, but you have to take step by step procedure. Not if you are thinking you want to come in digital marketing sector, you want to become a billionaire and millionaire. Honestly, this is a dream right now, because you have to invest yourself in the in this sector. So that's all. That's all. If I talk about the which if somebody want to do digital marketing course, and they are really confused which mode is the best, online and offline, so I would suggest you can start anyone, online and offline. It completely depend of yourself, because if you want to come digital marketing sector, so you have to believe in online mode and offline, also offline mode. So it completely depend yourself. So if I talk about the another thing, another things. So if I talk about the growth rate in digital marketing, so honestly recently I have seen one news in 2000, at the end of the 2025, the digital marketing have the growth rate around 26%. That's why every company want to invest in digital marketing, because I already told you, if I talk about the door to door marketing, it has been finished right now, almost finished. Because you know very well, and so that's why company want to invest in digital marketing sector. That's what company hiring to the digital marketing specialist, junior, senior, manager. So that's why that's why the in digital marketing sector, if I talk about the digital marketing sector, as if I compare recently, I have read one I was reading one article, I remember, and I have seen the digital marketing a hottest career in 2025 would be. This is the right news, because I have shared everything. I will not, I cannot say anymore. You have to believe in yourself honestly, and you can come in digital marketing sector and you can start your digital marketing career. If I talk about the another point, scope in digital marketing. So I will share in India and also outside of India. If I talk about the in India, so on I already told you that everybody want to invest in digital marketing sector. If I talk about the IT sector in India, so around 75% IT sector actually give to our government to increase our GDP. So that's why if you want to come in digital marketing sector, so you can come and you can start your digital marketing career right now. And if I talk about the scope in outside of India, because because lots of people want to go outside of India. Honestly, if I talk about the average salary outside of India, 70,000. If I convert into in Indian rupees, so you can get the very easily 70,000 rupees in Indian currency. But you have the understanding, proper understanding in digital marketing sector. If I talk about the why digital marketing booming up right now, honestly, if so, I will took before 2 year ago, 2 or 3 year ago, when coronavirus came in our country, in the world. So everything has been closed. You know very well. The whole country put the lockdown in the whole country. So that's why and that time the digital marketing to help for us to invest our audience, to invest our money on the online platform, because the shop also has been closed, and everything has been closed. If I talk about shop, mall, everything has been closed. So that time the digital marketing was giving for helping for helping for us to get the our audience. If I talk about the before the lockdown in digital marketing, so no, we don't know. I don't had a lots of understanding about the digital marketing, but after the lockdown, the digital marketing booming up right now, and right now that's why company want to invest in digital marketing sector, because the company does not think cannot think about this kind of period. It will be repeat again, might be. Yeah, I'm not I'm not hoping right now, and you are and that's why the company want to invest in digital marketing sector. If I talk about my new plan, so honestly, I'm promising to everyone it will be implement definitely this month. Honestly, so that's all in this video. If you want, and if you have any kind of question regarding this video, so please put the question in the comment box. And if you want to make the video on your specific question, you can also put the question in the comment box. I will create definitely the video on your specific question. And please like and subscribe and share this YouTube channel, and keep support for Indian team. Thank you so much.